Hi, this is Stacy with WTI, and I have an adorable vanity seat to show you from Soohow. This seat is really cute. It is great for using with my vanity, but would also be really cute in a closet. It has a soft fur all around the seat, and as you can see, it's really plush and very pretty looking with this adorable gray color. However, the seat is packed with a lot of dense foam that makes it really comfortable to sit on as well while you're getting ready in the morning or in the evening. The seat is also multifunctional because on flipping over the seat, you can see that it has an adorable table that can be used on the side if needed. It also has storage right inside the vanity seat. I really love this feature because maybe sometimes you just have things that are left out that you'd really like to put away, but have them handy when you need them. And that would be perfect to use with this seat. The construction of the seat is really well made. It does arrive with the legs off and they're easy, super easy to put on. It took me less than 2 minutes. The seat is sturdy and very heavy feeling despite its petite size. So if you're looking to glam up your bedroom with a great vanity or closet seat, you will love using this one. It is really cute and it's super functional as well. And that's my point of view.